The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know what you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now me Dancehall, I only want the best for each and everyone. You see what I'm saying to you? And I've done videos that I put out there on social media and ask motorists to take their time when they're driving on the road, you see me? I've asked persons to be careful when they're on the road because, you know, I don't want to see anyone get hurt or lose them life. You see what I'm saying to you? You see, and I said these things out of concern. You understand? It's not out of disrespect, but out of concern. You see what I say? Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show the scene of a horrible accident that happened within the country of Jamaica. And according to some things that a person in the background of this video said, I get the understanding that this video shows the scene of a two-vehicle collision that happened within the parish that is known as Hanover, that is within the country of Jamaica. And according to some of the things that this person in the background of the video said, I get the understanding that the person is saying that no one died. You see me? And according to when this video had been put out there on social media, I get the understanding that this video shows the scene of a two-vehicle collision that happened on the 16th of September 2020. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I have no information about anyone who got hurt or their injuries, you understand me? But by watching this video and listening to some of the things that have been said in this video, we might get somewhat of an understanding about this two-vehicle collision, or you could say this accident that happened within the country of Jamaica. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. And you can also let me know what you think about this video that I'm about to present to you, alright? Now, as I'm about to present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
No, sir, me there Grand Palladium. And the truth of the matter is, I see an accident where I probably never ever see. I mean, it's so horrible. I look upon a BMW I meet in our accident with a highest bus. Alright, now, looking at the BMW, this is like crazy. Right? See the BMW here. And for believe that nobody not dead. Like this is crazy. You understand what I say? As I say, with the right across and the Grand Palladium Hotel in Lucy. Yeah, but looking at this accident here, yo. Got it. Police are do them work. I ensure that the scene is clear. But believe me, I've never. Hold on. Stop. This is the vehicle we meet. Accident right out of Grand Palladium. The whole of the BMW front lick off. The whole of the highest. But it's a right across from the Grand Palladium. Yeah. But I never see something like this when nobody not survive. This not real at all. Believe me. Anybody in a them vehicle have to give God thanks. See the BMW there? Not top, not on the left hand. Yeah. Believe me. Wanna go alright? No, nobody died. At least not yet. It's a serious man. Yeah man, it's serious bad. See the top of the vehicle here. See the top of the vehicle here. So I'm glad so there is no report of anybody dying, but look at the top of this. Like here back, like there's no top. Nobody died. No top. No nothing upon the vehicle. Yo, trust me. Police, they are trying to do what them for do. Yeah. Fire truck here. Nobody died. No. Nobody at all died. But God good. I don't know what happened, but the fact that nobody died is a testament that people should have go to church in this. How much somebody in IBM?
I want to see them.
In Ghana hospital?
Broke up, man. I never saw broke up. What else?
One person was in the BMW, but him seriously injured, but at the time, no reported death. But one are wicked. As I say, they're right across from the Grand Palladium. Accident happened this morning, right? Don't know what happened at this road, but boy, you know, it's a way. Well, somebody has said the fireman them cut off the top. So obviously the person was pinned down. But this is the vehicle. This is the state of it. The fact that nobody died in it is a testament. I couldn't say if the top was cut off, Becky. I have no confirmation on that. I only try showing it.
Viewers and subscribers, this video really shows a horrible accident that happened within the country of Jamaica. You see? Viewers and subscribers, and I really do, I just want to say to each and every one, be careful when you're out there on the road. You see me? To each and every motorist out there, whether you're in the country of Jamaica or not, be careful when you're driving on the road. You understand? Yeah, protect yourself and protect others as well. You see me? I said to you, cause me use the road and you use the road, and I only wish the best for each and every one. You see? So here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.